the heart of the enchanted forest, a mischievous sprite stumbles upon a hidden glade. The sprite is drawn to the magical energy of the old tree and approaches it cautiously. The guardian of the glade questions the sprite's presence and intentions in her domain. The sprite excitedly expresses interest in discovering the secrets of the forest. To gain the wisdom of the forest, the sprite must undergo a trial testing their bravery and kindness. The guardian reveals a hidden truth that changes the sprite's perspective on their own identity. The sprite emerges from the trial with newfound understanding and respect for the forest. Under the moonlit sky, the enchanted forest thrives with renewed magic and harmony as stories are shared. As they continue to share stories, the forest echoes with laughter and wisdom, blending the old and the new in perfect harmony.